Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can measure area, volume and center of mass with a Python script. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here we have the part, and we will use this script get a center of mass, volume and area. So first thing here is our main command. First command we will run this, and after that we will run all three commands to know the area, volume and mass. So here target object app dot active document get object by label. So in my case my part label is body. You can know your label of part, so click on your body here, and here is a label is body. That's why I have given my label name here. So you have to give your name of your part, the name which you have given here. And now to run the Python script in FreeCAD, all you have to do is right click it and activate this Python console. So once you activate this Python console, it will open the Python console, and you can also arrange it as your desired location at left hand side or right hand side. So here is my first command. So instead of typing here, I will directly copy this and paste and give the enter. So you can see that I did not get any error because my part has been identified here by body, which I have shown you. Now let's measure the shape area. Target object shape dot area. So I will simply copy this command and paste it here and press the enter. So here is the area. So depends upon unit you have a set for your FreeCAD, you will get the value here. Let's run the second command, which is a target underscore object dot shape dot volume. I will copy it, paste it and enter it. So here I got the volume, and now third is a center of mass, which is a target underscore object dot shape dot center of mass. I will just copy it and paste it and press the enter. So here I have got a center of mass in a X, Y and Z direction. So these are the script to measure the area, volume and mass with the help of a Python script. I will provide this script so that you can save this script in a notepad and you can run it. The important point here is the label. Never forget to replace your label name with my label name. Okay, if this command does not execute your first command, then this you cannot run this, because this first command target our object, which is body. If body is not get identified with this Python script, then three commands will not get run. So here you can see that I have a measure this shape area, shape volume and shape center of mass. So you can simply copy it and you can send your client, or you can save it in a notepad of the area, volume and center of mass. So this is all about how to measure area, volume and center of mass with a Python script. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.